A very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So, we are back with our science class. And as you remember, in the last class, we had started with chapter number 11, the sun and our shadow. Okay, see, this is the shadow. Now, we had discussed the topic that is the sun. So, let's do a quick recap. See, we studied about the sun. That is, the sun is round like a big ball, round in shape. It is made up of hot burning gases, very hot burning gases. And it gives us heat and light. The sun gives us heat and light. Then we also studied that the sun appears to be small when we see, but in reality it is bigger than the earth. Okay, sun का जो size है वो हमारे earth से बहुत बड़ा है. Then if there is no sun, अगर sun नहीं है, imagine, so what will happen? The earth would be very cold and dark. Earth बहुत cold हो जाएगा and बहुत dark हो जाएगा. There would be no living things on the earth. कोई भी living things, be it plants, be it human beings, animals, they will not survive without the sun. Then we studied that the sun rises in the east in the morning and it sets in the west in the evening. We also studied about light. That is, the sun is the natural source of light. It is natural. We have not made it. Human made is electric bulbs and candles and tube lights. Okay. Then the next topic is finally the shadow. What is the next topic? Shadow. So let's read about it. See, there is a small experiment. Shine a torch towards the wall. Like this child is doing. What you have to do, you have to shine a torch towards the wall. Put your hand between the torch and the wall. See over here. See what you have to do? Shine a torch on the wall. Put your hand, आपको अपना हाथ बीच में रखना है इस torch के और इस wall के. You have to put between. Then you see a dark shape of your hand. See, if you have put it like this way, so you will see a dark shape exactly this way. If you have put it this way, the dark shape of it. Okay? So this dark shape is called shadow. What is it called? Shadow. What is the spelling? S-H-A-D-O-W. You are able to see the shadow because your hand stopped the light falling on it. See children, why were we able to see the shadow? This shadow हमें क्यों दिख रही है? Because light के बीच में हमने अपना हाथ रख दिया. That is why we are able to see the shadow. You are able to see it because your hand stopped the light. Okay, see, in the same way, if I just put my hand like this, so you will not be able to see my face. So same way, what they have said, that जैसे ही हमने हाथ सामने रखा light के, so what happened? The shadow was seen. Okay. Now, a shadow is formed when the path of light is blocked by an object. Please underline. A shadow is formed when the path of light is blocked by an object. Shadow कब form होता है? जब एक path of light, like the torch, हम torch उस पे रख रहे थे. Okay, and हमने उसको block कर दिया. We have blocked the path of light. That time we see the shadow. Now, remove your hand. Now, I will remove my hand. Can you see the shadow? Now you will not be able to see the shadow. See children, what we did? This way we had done the torch. Okay, हमने torch on कर दी थी wall की तरफ. But हमने जैसे हाथ रखा, so there was shadow. But as soon as I'll put my hand off, okay, अगर मैं हाथ हटा दूँगी, so आपको shadow नहीं दिखेगी. Okay, you'll not be able to see the shadow. Okay, no, this happens. Why? Because there is no object, that is your hand, to stop the light. See, as I gave you the example, that if I put my hands in front of my face like this, so you're not able to see my face, but as soon as I do like this, मैंने अपना हाथ हटा दिया. So now you're able to see my face. Okay, so the same way, because there is no object, there's no hands, that is why there will be no shadow. Okay, now switch off the torch. अब अपना torch switch off कर दो. Can you see the shadow now? No, you will not be able to see. You cannot see a shadow where there is no light. So what is proved? If you want to see shadow, there should be light over there. वहाँ पे light होनी चाहिए. See, in this image also, over here, these 4 girls are standing. There is sunlight. That is why we can see the shadow. If there were no sunlight, then we will not be able to see the shadow. Is it clear? Okay. So this is the thing now. Let us watch the video and you will get a more clear idea. Okay. So let's start.
Chapter 11. The sun rises in the east in the morning. The sun sets in the west in the earth. Human-made sources of light are electric bulbs and candles. Shadow. Shine a torch towards the wall. Put your hand between the torch and the wall. You see a dark shape of your hand formed on the wall. The dark shape is called a shadow. You are able to see the shadow because your hand stopped the light falling on it. A shadow is formed when light is stopped by an object. Now, remove your hand. Can you see the shadow? No. This happens because there is no object, your hand, to stop the light. Now, switch off the torch. Can you see the shadow now? No, you cannot see a shadow when there is no light. The shadow of a...
Okay, so is it clear? So let's keep it till here, and in the next class we will continue with the topic. So till that, take care of your health. Goodbye. May God bless you.